お疲れ様。Did you watch those videos? 暑い。暑い？暑くない。So this rule, replace い with く and ない。Please watch those videos from the description box before watch this video. かわいい。柔らかい。悲しい。You can make a lot of sentences with those adjectives. But unfortunately, there's another type of adjective. We have learned about い adjectives. Now we have to learn about な adjectives. But don't worry about it. It's not difficult. Alright, are you guys ready? では、始めましょう。
お疲れ。また？ああ、俺も今来たところ。マリアちゃん、誕生日おめでとう。これ、よかったら。ありがとう。めっちゃ綺麗。
It's beautiful. 綺麗。So this is a な adjective. And then let's compare it with い adjectives. For example, cute. かわいい。It's cute. かわいい。So this is the dictionary form. But in this case of な adjective, な is omitted. It's beautiful. You can say 綺麗。Is it cute? So the accents are different. かわいい。かわいい。Similarly, it's beautiful. 綺麗。Is it beautiful? 綺麗。It's not cute. Do you remember this? Replace い with く and ない。かわいくない。How about な adjectives? It's not beautiful. Take a look. Replace な with じゃ and ない。So it's not beautiful. 綺麗じゃない。い becomes く。な becomes じゃ。So those rules are very important. By the way, when do we use this な? When you want to say something like this, you need to say な。きれいな花。静かな部屋。
ねえ、見て。きれいな月だね。
きれいな月。A beautiful moon.
きれい。
Then you need to not say な。Did you see the difference between い adjective and な adjective? If you know them, you can use adjectives in conversations. By the way, do you know Japanese often put some at the end of the sentences? Like, it's beautiful. きれい。きれいだ。きれいだよ。きれいだよね。きれいだな。きれいだわ。きれいだわ。So they have slightly different nuances. We're going to see them in the next video. Alright, thank you for watching this video. またね。